There's something really enjoyable about putting together, especially an old car like this, and we work on a lot of minis, but an old mini like this is just a little bit different. You need a little bit more tactility when it comes to putting them together. There's a lot of things that are just kind of put together by feel, and that feel comes with experience, and it's also really satisfying because everything is sort of custom, even if it's from a factory piece, because they were hand assembled cars. So when you're putting it back together, you're hand assembling it again, and being able to do that on a car like this, top to bottom, front to back, every single nut and bolt we put together is really satisfying. Having a build done is definitely a very unique experience, and we take a lot of pride in being able to be the custodians for a build for somebody like this. Being able to start a car from scratch and build it ground up is both a great pleasure for us and also for the owner. It's something that's a very special experience. We had a really long conversation at the beginning of this build where we just nerded out, the customer and us, on all the little details. And then as the build progressed, we were updating him with photos, and when it became almost finished, even flew out and took a look at it. And it was just really fun. And it's one of those things that to have a car built like this is something you're going to remember. It's not just like buying a car off the shelf. It becomes something that is unique to you, and it'll be with you hopefully forever.